In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put affiliate links on your Squarespace website. If you've been looking into monetizing your website and adding affiliate links, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and go through each step together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a familiar interface, which I know for many of you can be a little overwhelming if you're new to this. But don't worry, we'll break it down and make it manageable. Once you're on your homepage, look for the search bar. The search bar is your friend in quickly navigating to the right page or function you need on Squarespace. Conveniently type in the word product, and this will direct you to an area that allows you to manage the products and services on your website. From there, you'll need to select Products and Services. Doing this opens up a whole set of options for you to manage your website products efficiently. The next step is to click on the Create button. This is an invitation to add something new to your site, a gateway to introducing that affiliate product you want to promote. At this point, you'll see an option that says Physical Product. It's pivotal to select this option as it sets up your affiliate link as a product listing within your store. Next, enter the product name. Be descriptive and precise here. The clearer your product name, the easier it will be for your audience to understand what you are offering. Now comes a crucial component, typing your affiliate link in the description. Why put it in the description? It's visible here, ensuring anyone interested in the product understands where clicking that link will take them. Make sure your link is correct. It's the bridge to earning your commission. Images speak 1,000 words. Therefore, you'll want to click on Add Images. This step may seem minor, but adding compelling visuals to your product description helps affirm credibility and captures interest from your website visitors. They can now easily imagine what they're potentially going to acquire. The final flourish before saving your hard work is to type in the price. Decide whether this will be a regular price or if you are offering a discounted rate for anyone using your affiliate link. After that, make sure everything looks just right, and then hit Save. Remember, with every successful save, you're taking steps toward turning your hobby into an income generator. There you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to add affiliate links to your Squarespace site. You'll soon start seeing the benefits of having those links in place in the form of affiliate commissions. Hope you found this helpful, and thanks for joining me today.